SAF Tehnika presents Spectrum Compact, new innovative measurement tool for the 6 to 24 GHz microwave frequency bands. Ultra compact form factor, only 0.3 kilograms or 10.6 ounces. Diagonal 4 inches, about the size of a smartphone. The SMA connector allows the Spectrum Compact to integrate with any vendor's antenna or waveguide system. The resistive LCD touchscreen makes it possible to work with gloves on and ensures smooth and intuitive on-site use. With the Spectrum Compact, it's possible to make quick and precise antenna alignment, detect interference, or verify an already installed link. Data logging of all Spectrum scans is available inside of the Spectrum Compact with enhanced data processing and analysis available via SAF Tehnika designed PC software on your laptop. Verification of radio transmit power configuration and ensuring that emitted power is as expected. Information can be used for documentation and approval. Ultra compact form factor. Compatible with any manufacturer's antenna system. Industry-leading -105 dBm at 1 MHz bandwidth receiver sensitivity. Resistive LCD touchscreen with intuitive control and interactive graphical user interface. Complete measurement logging. No laptop required for on-site use. Instant on/off. USB charging. Up to 4 hours of on-site use. Industry-leading price.